Good morning, Eagles. Today we're going to continue working on our eyelid assessment, this grade test, and we are going to be moving into the third test of this assessment. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your eyelid. You should have this bookmarked. If you don't, go back to lesson 1.1 and bookmark it. Your organization is Bloomington Public Schools. Your username and password that I sent you, you'll put in here, and then you'll click login. Once you are into the home page, you'll see this. You're going to go down to assignments, click on the assignments. That'll take you over here to an assignment page that says monitoring progress. So you're going to click on that number 1 with the red circle around it. Okay, then you're going to go click over here on the grade level D beginning of the year assessment. Remember, this is a baseline assessment, and this is where we'll watch your growth as we proceed through this year. Okay, just a reminder, you've done the vocab quiz and you've done the sentence comprehension, and today you're going to start with the listening comprehension. I'm going to jump down a few slides to the listening. Remember, when you are moving between tests, between the assessments, the different parts, you want to move on this line right here. And you don't want to submit anything because you want to wait until you're done with the entire test. If you accidentally submitted, let me know and I will send it back to you. If you hit submit and you think you're about to do it and you realize, no, I don't want to do that, click cancel and it'll take you back. All right, so this is our listening test for this next part. You're going to click on the audio here, and then you're going to select the correct answer. Not too bad. You can hit the arrow again to repeat it if you didn't hear it the first time or if you want to hear it again. And there will be 17 questions. When you are done with your 17 questions, make sure you go back and save and exit. I'm going to show you a picture of that. Maybe I'm not showing you a picture. Anyways, after you're done with your 17, go back and save and exit. Do not submit. Save and exit. If you have any questions, contact me and I would love to chat with you about it. Have a great day.